Good evening, dear students. As we had already discussed, that I will be sending you the tutorials on doing referencing. So cite this for me. Let us have this session now. So I'll briefly show you how to do referencing through cite this for me. Let me share the screen with you. So as you can see on the screen, go to the Google. Okay, Google. And then just type cite this for me, which is a free resource for the researchers to do referencing. Now click the first option. So we can do the referencing by creating an account, or we can do without an account also. But if you're doing any research work and if you want to save all your references, it's better to create an account and then do your referencing or bibliography. But as I'm showing only a tutorial here, a demo of how to do referencing, I'm just starting with start bibliography. Instead of creating an account, I'm going with start bibliography. So this is the first page that you'll get once you click on the start bibliography. I'm doing without account, as I just wanted to show you how to do it. So the first option that we should select is the citation style. Is very important because there are many styles of citation. There is a AMA style, and then you have APA style, 6th edition, 7th edition you have, then you Chicago style, then you have Harvard style, you have IEEE. So there are different styles that we can choose, and especially for the social sciences, we choose APA style, American Psychological Association. Let me go for the 6th edition. So I have taken the APA 6th edition. Now I'll start with a new reference. So I'm going for add new reference. So the first step is selecting the citation style. And the second step is adding the new reference. I'm going for the new reference. So generally there are three sources that we usually refer for any information. One is website, and then you have journal, and then you have book. So all the three I will show you now, and then I'll show how to do referencing on video and images also. So let's see first with the website, journal, and the book. For that, first let me open a website. Let me look for information. Before that, let me go for this. So you have Google, and then you go for example. I want to know the meaning of research. Meaning of research. Okay. I'm taking from Wikipedia. So I'm taking from Wikipedia. So I'll just click Wikipedia. Okay. So here you can find the meaning of research. So much is there. Now from this paragraph, I want to select few definitions or the meaning of research from this. So I'm taking from this site. So how to refer this site? So go to the site, this for me again, and then go for website. Go for a website. We can do both automatic and manually. Let me do auto site. In auto site, you have to just copy the URL of the site that you're referring. Just copy the URL and then paste the space given and then go for search. So it is recognized and you then go for cite. So here is the information that we have got. So the cite this for me has captured this information. Article title is research, website title and wikipedia.org, and URL also is captured. So we did not find authors, publisher, and publication date. Now, if you want to enter even these details also, always preferable that we enter those details also. So here we don't have that information. The publication date, let me check if it is there. So this is published by Wikipedia itself. So let me go for this. Let me continue as I don't have specific information on that. We are published 2020. You have this, I know the author is Wikipedia itself, so I'm keeping as it is. Then publisher is Wikipedia. Access date, it will automatically capture the access date and complete citation. So here you will get the bibliography, your bibliography. So you can copy as it is the bibliography and then you can paste it. There are two aspects here, copy bibliography and copy in text citation. So bibliography, the first option is copied and pasted at the end in the list of the references. Whereas in text, you can see here, in text. This in text is pasted where you are placing the information in your article or in your paper. Let me show how to do that. Let me open a Word file so that you can understand easily. So let me first copy the in text. So I'm copying the in text. And then I'll share with you now one more file, a Word document which I have opened. So this is the meaning probably I have taken from Wikipedia. Research is a systematic process. Then I paste the index, Control V. Go for Control V, you paste the index. So here we can understand research 2020. Okay. But when you go at the end, when you mention the list of references, this is very important. This is at the last bibliography, list of bibliography or list of references. Again, you go for copy the bibliography, and then paste in the list of the references. So here you will get the complete reference. Research.2020, retrieved 11 May 2020. You will get the website also, which is captured. So here some informations are missing, like the author name is missing. So let us try with a journal, then we will get all the details. So this is how we do with the website. I just have taken the meaning of the research and I have cited this. Okay. Now let me go for a journal. Let me go for a journal. So I'm going to Google. I'm going to search a journal. So journal on research. Or let me an article itself. Article on motivation. Instead of that, we can directly go to the Google Scholar. Go to the Google Scholar. And then the article on motivation. So you'll get number of articles here. So we'll take the first article for our understanding. So I'm selecting the first article, intrinsic motivation. So imagine I'm taking information from this. So how to cite this article? Again, go back to the referencing. Again, add new referencing. Because I am taking this from online article. So I'll go for website. And then to auto cite, you copy the URL of the website you're searching and then paste in the space provided. Then go for auto cite. So it has identified and then you go for cite again. Let me do it again. Copy it, paste in the space provided, go for search. cite intrinsic motivation. So as it is not citing auto cite, I will go for manual. Sometimes auto cite you will get. So we'll go for manual. So let's look for the author here. The author, there are two authors here, Edward Dempsey and Richard M. So let me copy first name, Edward Dempsey. Let me copy the name, paste here. So Edward is the first name, so that should be seen in the referencing. So cut it and then paste. Edward L. That's the first name. So there's one option here, add another author. So add another author, we'll get one more. Again, select, this is Richard M. Ryan. So Richard is the main name. Ryan. Richard M. Okay, so that's it. Then the year published. This article was published on 30th January 2010. So I'll go for 2010. Page title. The title of the page was Intrinsic Motivation. There's a copy, paste. Then website name is Willy Online Library. That's a website name. Paste it, and then the publisher is the same, so I need not again put it again. URL, you can copy the URL and then paste it. That's it. So go for complete citation. So you get your bibliography. So you can find here in text, and then you can also see the bibliography. So let me cite the in text now. Copy the in text. I have copied. And then imagine in the Word file you are writing motivation. Okay. So you have taken some of the aspects from motivation. So and you're writing. So I have written just one word here. And then you paste Edward L and Richard M 2010. So that is called in text. So wherever we are putting the text, there the in text has to come. And at the final, the concluding part, when you conclude the whole text and then you go for list of the references, there the bibliography has to come. So again, now I'm copying bibliography. So I'll copy the bibliography. And then I go to the Word and then paste the list of bibliographies. Here you get the reference. So this is how you can cite an article. Imagine if you are doing in a book. Okay. Let me do a book also. Go for add new reference again. So go for book option. Imagine I'm referring a book, a human source management by Robbins. Just take an example here. Go for search. If it is in the online, you'll get, see, you'll get all the books with the title, with the names, which are uploaded online. Imagine I'm referring this book. the second option. So I'll go and just cite. So you can find all the details here. Author name is there, year published 2007, book title, Human Resource Management, city is there, publisher is there. Then you go for continue. So you'll get all the details here. If edition is there, you can mention the edition also. Example, if the edition is third edition, you can mention the edition and then you go for complete citation. So here you can get your, again, next bibliography. So you have in text, Sens and Robbins 2007. Copy it and paste it near the text where you have written from, you have taken from the book. And then you have bibliography. This you have to copy and paste it in the list of the references at the end. This is how we can do book auto cite. So we can add the reference of book manually also. So you have, again, go for add new reference and you go for book. Then you can go for manually cite. So there is one option called manually cite. Sometimes the books are not uploaded online. You may not automatically able to cite the referencing. So you have to go for manual. Imagine it was my name, Vinay Kumar. So Vinay is the main name. So you go for Kumar and then Vinay. Year 2020, title of the book, perhaps Human Resource. Imagine you are referencing this, you are referring this book, okay? And that is the first edition. And suppose publisher is Malaya. And you are using page 1 of my book. So you can even cite that also. Then go for complete citation. So you will get here. So you will get Vinay 2020, that's in text. So whatever the information you are taking from my book, so you should cite Vinay 2020 there. And then copy the bibliography and paste at the end the list of the references. So this is how you can do for the book. Now let me show the other options also you have. Imagine you are, let me show the options, add new reference. Suppose I'm going for more, let me see the other. Suppose I am taking artwork in my article. So that's the artwork. So let me go for Google and let me see artworks, images. I'll go for images. So imagine I am selecting this artwork. Okay. So here you know that down you can see here one sentence, images may be subject to copyright. So it is not my image, but I'm taking this image for my research. I'm copying this image for my research. So if you want to copy this image, you download the image and you copy it. But how to acknowledge that it is not mine, it belongs to someone else? So you should go for referencing. That's always better that you go for referencing. So click on this. You will get more details on this artwork. So suppose you're taking this art work for your research. Okay. So what details we can find regarding this art is one, let's go to referencing now. So artist name it is asking. Okay, but here, do we have artist name? Sometimes it will be mentioned, sometimes it will not be mentioned. So here one name is mentioned called Lani Silinga. Okay, we suppose this is the artist. So Lani is the first name, so I'll go for Lani. First name will become the last name, okay? And then Silinga. So Sillinger is second name. So that's the name of the artist, suppose. And the year it was published, here we can see year, some year is mentioned, January 2017. So let's select 2017. The title of the artwork, what is the title of the artwork? 12 Astonishing Arts from the Conflict Zones. This is the title of the artwork. So just copy and paste. Medium is not required for us. Gallery or museum is also not required. City is also not required. Add reference. So you'll get, even for artwork, the bibliography. So here you can see in text Lani 2017. So this you have to mention below, just below the picture. Wherever you are pasting this picture in your article or research thesis, you have to put this Lani 2017 just below the picture, and you copy the bibliography Lani, yes, then 2017, 12 Astonishing Arts from Conflict Zones. So this is the bibliography. This is just an example I'm giving how to do for the artwork. Sometimes we may do even others also. Let me take add new reference. Let me go for more. Let me go for a video. Sometimes I may be referring a video also. Example, I'll just let me select online image or video. So let me go for online image or video. So here you'll find some details. The first name, the last name again, corporate author of that video. Sometimes companies may create the videos, then year of the video published, and then format, whether it's image or a video. So we can select title or description of the video, then URL. For example, let me go for it. For example, I'm going to Google and then a motivational video. This type of motivational video. Imagine I'm taking from this. Okay. Imagine I'm trying to copy this video. This is not my video. That's why I'm referencing. I'm acknowledging that it is not my video. It belongs to others. So this is a video that I'm referencing. I'll pause it. So copy the URL of that video and go to your referencing and then paste here. So automatically it will copy. The title is motivational video. Company name probably will, if the video was given by Sandeep Maheshwari, the name and even author also is Sandeep Maheshwari. So Sandeep will come the first name, last name, and then Maheshwari is first name. This video was published in the year 2017. So let me change that. 17 is video format. So it's done. So I have accessed today, that is 11th May, automatically it captures, then add reference. So even for videos also, here you can see Sandeep Maheshwari, in text Sandeep Maheshwari 2017. Your bibliography also is captured. So that's how you can even cite the video also, or image also. So these are different options. So please explore all these options and learn. There's a learning experience. And please come back to me if you have any doubts, any clarifications in the online session. Okay. So that's it for today. Let me close now.